but the importance of chest compressions in cardiac arrest. Chest compressions is a term used when we apply hands to a patient when their heart has stopped. So unresponsive, not breathing, in cardiac arrest, no heartbeat. When somebody's choking, then we're using what are called chest thrusts. So chest thrusts are for choking. Chest compressions would be somebody in cardiac arrest. As of the latest updates for infants, children, and adults, it's going to be 30 compressions and 2 breaths. We just need to be aware of how we're compressing, how deep we're compressing, and the size of us compared to the patient we're trying to help. So with infants or with all choking, we basically want to be, hand placement want to be in line with the nipple line and about 1 finger below, because if we go any lower than 1 finger below, now we're down into this area here where it's called the xiphoid process. That's where the rib line traces up to the bottom of the sternum. So your ribs, they have the costal arch up here, sternum, where the rib cage, where the ribs meet the sternum, that's called the xiphoid process, that area. If you're compressing this far down, you can lacerate the liver of people. You can rupture the liver, cause pretty serious internal damage if you snap that off, or if you're compressing low or putting so much force directly on the organ. So that's why they say in line with the sternum, center of the chest, lower third, in line with the nipple line, maybe just a finger below. So if you're using the